Okay guys, I'm in the park and let's see how this works. So as you see, and as I told you before in the review, it is only 4-wheel drive and not 6-wheel drive, so it cannot go on all terrain. And as you see, it just buries itself into the sand. And there's no way it's coming out. Except if I push it. So it's supposed to go on a flat road, not like on this bumpy sand. Alright, I put the truck on solid terrain, so it runs much better. And it also cannot go up hills. So there's like a little hill here and it cannot go up it as it does not have all-terrain wheels. So let's put it back on the road. Now it's gonna get stuck right here, 100%. Yeah, so it cannot go on terrain like that. Alright, so here's my Huina excavator. Yeah, so I got it for $100 on eBay, and here is the truck. There we go. Alright, I'll just unload it right in this pile. The sand is wet, so it's really sticky, so it doesn't come out. And the truck is stuck. Alright, it just buried itself into the sand. I'm gonna pull it out. There we go. All right. All right, hold on. Ow! What the? Why do the plants have to be so spiky here? This is like, ow! Oh my god. All right, now I'll show you how it's unloading. Ow.